Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy the S&P 500 on interactive brokers. So right now we created our account, we also verify our account, and then what we're gonna do right here is we search right here for the S&P 500 right there. Then what you will find is a lot of S&P right there. So what we're gonna do right here is we select right here the Vanguard S&P 500 and then we go here to the chart. So right now, this is the place where we want to buy the S&P 500. Then we can click here on buy. And then right now, we need money standing on our account to buy this right here. So we click now here on fund your account. So this is the place where we need to put money on our account. And then after that, you can just simply right there on that chart, click on buy, and then you can create your S&P 500 position. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have any questions, please comment them below. And then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.